Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a lovely pomegranate drink. You can buy, this is fresh anyway, but you can take it out the shell by yourself, but it takes longer. But this, for the sake of time, you can use this also, pick it up in the supermarket. If this is the first time you're watching this channel, just to let you know you're welcome, and I'm happy to have you. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and do leave positive comments. What I'm gonna do today, I will be using my stick blender instead. With this, I'm gonna add a bit of ginger to this, which is that's personal. So I will cut about that, and I will take the skin off. Let's go ahead and take the skin off. So I'm just gonna cut this small, just to help the blending process. So I'm just gonna put it in that. You can use a NutriBullet if you want, or if you have a normal blender, it will do the same job. So we're gonna go ahead, pour some in there. So with this, we're just gonna add some water to this, just to help the blending process. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna get a strainer and pass it through. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use a finer strainer and pass it through again. So I'm straining it 2 times. So what you can do, get yourself a bottle. And a funnel, just bottle this up. So that's a 1 day. And then we're gonna put the other rest in the drink. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching. Wow, very nice.